Hello, thank you for joining me once again on Obizip Academy. On today's tutorial, I shall be showing how to plot charts using Excel. Okay, essentially diagrammatic presentations of charts using Excel. So we'll move straight to our Excel page and I will show you how to do that. Okay, here we'll have line charts. Look at the data I shall be using to illustrate how to plot a line chart. Then under this sheet here, we'll have simple bar chart. I'll be using this particular information here to plot a simple bar chart for you. Then component bar chart, I shall be using this information to plot a component bar chart for illustration. Then we'll have for multiple bar chart, I'll be using this information also. And lastly, pie chart, I shall be using this information to plot a pie chart. Alright, so I will start off with the line chart. For me to plot the line chart, I'll be looking at the years here as well as the national unemployment rates for Nigeria. Look at the data for it here. So for me to plot a line chart, I'll delete this year here, the title, remove the year, and leave it like this. Then simply highlight all the information. As you can see here, you highlight all the information. Ensure you remove the year here. Then go to insert. Okay. Then select line. Can you say insert line or area of chart or area chart? Then you click it once. Then select this. As soon as you click, other forms of line chart will also appear. If I click this round button, you can see the other types here. As I'm moving the cursor, it's actually changing. As I'm moving the cursor, it's actually any one of your choice. You can actually click on it and it stays. Okay, as you can see here. All right. So here, if I click this plus sign here, I can be able to add data label if I'm interested in adding data label to it, perhaps to see the information across the years. As you can see here. Then clicking this axis title here to show me title for the x-axis and the y-axis. As you can see, for the x-axis here we'll have the years. I can delete this and type in year. And for the y-axis, I can delete this also and type in unemployment rates. Then I'll put the percentage sign, as you can see. Okay, so if I click inside the box again, this plus sign comes up. I can actually turn off any one of my choice or turn on if I'm interested. If I don't want the data label, I'll turn it off from here by simply clicking this and it goes out. Okay, so essentially this is how to plot a line chart using Excel. So I'll move straight to simple bar chart. So for a simple bar chart, I shall be using this information here. We'll have year, we'll have inflation rate for illustration of simple bar chart. Okay, I also do the same by removing this year title here and leaving it like this. So for me to plot a simple bar chart, I will highlight every information here. Then click insert again. Okay, then click this particular chart here. I have insert column or bar chart. Clicking it once, then I'll select this. Okay, this is my simple bar chart. Remember, as soon as I click, other forms of simple bar chart will also appear. Clicking this one, you can either see any one of my choice. Okay, as I'm moving the cursor, it's actually changing. Maybe let me use this particular one to illustrate. So I'll click on it. Then if I click on this plus sign, it will ask me the same question. Do I need the axis title? Yes. Okay, I can edit this particular one here. Here I'll put years. Then here I'll put delete this and put inflation rate. Then put the percentage sign inside it. As you can see, clicking inside the box again, this plus sign comes up. If I want to add data label to it, I can actually add data label to it so I can see. Okay, you can actually expand it if you so wish to any form you want by clicking on this small circle sign here, as you can see. Okay, this is how to illustrate a simple bar chart. So we'll go straight to component bar chart, which is the next one. I'll be using information here to illustrate a component bar chart. We'll have faculty, we'll have academic staff across the respective faculty. Here we'll have 146 academic staff and social science, 76 senior for social science, 42 for junior staff under social science, and the rest, as you can see here. So I'm using information to plot a component bar chart. So for me to do that, I'll simply highlight all the information here, as you can see, then click insert. Once I click insert, I'll come back to this bar chart again and click this. Remember, I want to plot a component bar chart, so I'll click this particular one here to get my component bar chart. As you can see, it has appeared. So double clicking on it, or clicking once on it to give us other forms of component bar chart or other modification of the same component bar chart that will have maybe different colors and all. Maybe let me pick this particular one here. Okay, you can delete this chart title and put the appropriate title if you so wish. You click this plus sign here, you can put your axis if you so wish, axis title, that is the x axis and y axis. Then data label, if you want to see the data for each of them attached to each of the charts, you can also put it here. As you can see here, the blue one here, the keys, academics is for blue, as you can see here. Senior is for orange color. Then I think ash color so is for junior, as you can see here. These are the key representing each of these bar charts here. So this is an example of component bar chart. Okay, let's go to multiple bar chart. We have the same information. I shall be using it here to plot a multiple bar chart. For me to do that again, I'll highlight all the information. As you can see, you highlight everything. You go back, you click insert. Okay, select bar chart again. Then this time around, I'll select this particular one here for component bar chart. Look at it here. This is for, this for component, this for multiple rather. For multiple bar chart. Okay, look at the one I'll be selecting. This for component and this for multiple. So I'll be selecting for multiple bar chart. So I'll click this for multiple bar chart. As you can see, if I double click once on it, it gives me that modification of multiple bar chart. As you can see here, anyone, I can actually select any one of my choice for multiple bar. So let me pick this particular one here. Okay, I can decide to click this plus sign, then add my axis title, that is the x-axis and the y-axis if I so wish. Then if I want to add data to it, I can click this data label. Can you see that? Then you can delete this chart title, put the appropriate chart title of your choice. As you can see, you can also expand this. You can also expand this by dragging. You click, left click and drag. Can you see that? Left click, then hold and drag. So this is an example of multiple bar charts using this particular data here on Excel. Okay, and lastly, let's plot a pie chart using this information here. We'll have faculty, we'll have the percentage of staff according to each of the faculties. Can you see that? So here I'm going to highlight all this, excluding the total. I'll just highlight everything here to plot a pie chart. So simply click insert. Okay, then look at the pie chart logo here. As you can see here, click it once. You can either use this or use this 3D design here. I'll prefer using this 3D design for this illustration. So I'll select this 3D. As you can see, clicking inside once will give you other different colors and types of pie chart. As you can see here, as you're moving your cursor, it's changing, telling you which of them you will prefer. As you can see, okay, let me pick this particular one here. As you can see here. Now, if I click this plus sign here, click it once, it will show me data labels. As you can see, if I click this data label, it will show me the information, the percentages of each of the percentage of staff. As you can see, blue is for social science, then orange color is for science. As you can see, medical, administration, blue, light blue is for pharmacy. As you can see here. Okay, if I click on any of this data here, watch what will happen. Okay, as you can see, it highlights. So now if I want to add percentage to it, I can double click on it. Okay, this comes up. All right, so here I can decide to pick percentage. It gives me the value as well as the percentage. So I can turn off this value for this. Can you see that? So I'll leave it for the percentage only. As you can see, the same for this. Once I double click on it, you see that percentage. I can turn off this value, as you can see. Then for another one, you double click on it. Okay, percentage, as you can see. Okay, for this, I can double click on it, then turn off the value, percentage. Then for this also, once you double click on it, until this 3 white up and down sign comes up, you can actually turn off the value, percentage. Okay, then you close. Okay, as you can see here, you can either expand it if you so wish, so that you can see it much more clearly. Then you can equally change the color of this particular values here, maybe because there are two faint, you may not be able to see them clearly, you can click this and select maybe black if you so wish, or any color of your choice. As you can see under this font size here, under this font color rather, as you can see, let me select black. Then black is clearer. And you see that once I click one, all that will highlight. Then I can select any color of my choice. You can see, so I said select black. So essentially, it's how to plot a pie chart also using Excel. So I've been able to show you how to plot line chart using Excel, simple bar chart using Excel, component bar chart using Excel, multiple bar chart using Excel, and lastly, how to plot a pie chart. Okay. All right. If this is the first time of coming to our channel to watch our video, can you click the subscribe button so that you can get more updates on any video that may likely come up subsequent periods. Okay. Thank you for watching, and also thank you for listening.